Hi, I'm Jeff from Sorcery Soap, and today we're doing our draw for our January giveaway. We're giving away $400 of Sorcery products this month. You're helping us give you a gift. We chose things you might not choose for yourself. Okay, here we go.
Close your eyes.
B is currently pouring all the names into a bowl. I just had one. Is that one?
No.
Is that two?
Yep.
Here's our winner.
Put the other one back in. Okay.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Rebecca Nosker.
Yay!
Yay! Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a great day. Thank you for your support.